Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Nadia's Kitchen Vlogs in USA. Today we're here at Charlotte Tilbury, one of my favorite makeup stores, makeup brands. Excuse me. I was still in Bloomingdale's, but I love Charlotte Tilbury's makeup brand. It's so amazing, so I decided to take you guys along with me. I did purchase a couple items that you guys will see at the end. But I love Charlotte Tilbury, and what's it called? Bloomingdale's was having a 15% off sale, which I thought was really amazing. So I'm just going to be showing you guys all of the items that Bloomingdale's carries for Charlotte Tilbury, which they basically have everything. So that Charlotte Tilbury carries at their makeup brand thingy, you get me, right? Anyways, these are their luminous silk highlighters and pressed form, and then they have the wands, they have contour palettes, they have blush palettes, they have so many things. I just wanted everything, honestly, guys. But I did grab a few things from the store. I decided to get one of their blush sticks that was really popular. I know everybody was talking about it, so I decided to finally get in it and just, get the blush. And then I got the contour one, which I thought was really, I've never really tried a wet contour stick. I usually just use everything that's powder, so I was really excited to try a liquid version of the contour stick. And then they have this deal where you purchase everything of the pillow talk and you get like a couple items half off. And then this is like their skincare collection. My mom really loves their Charlotte Tilbury magic serum, I believe, or magic cream, and their under eye cream. I've never personally tried it, but I really want to, because this is the magic cream. I really want to get my mom this for her birthday, and the big size was $2.55 and it's huge. Like, I think it would take a year for you to even finish out from it. So, but I really like it. I just really like the quantity of it. And then, like I was saying, so 15% off when you spend $150 and more. So Charlotte Tilbury's items are usually like 42 excuse me, I said that like 3 times, $42 to $50, and then the serums are like $60-$70. So your total will add up if you grab a couple items. And then since me and my mom were grabbing a couple of items, it did go over $150. So these are like the contour wand and the blush wands that I was talking about. I also needed to get the Pillow Talk lipstick, but the deep version, the medium version, not the deep version, because I know they do have a deep version in it, but I didn't want that because I think that's a bit too dark on me. I like nude lipsticks, but not like super dark. And then this is the Charlotte Tilbury's award-winning magic cream, and I noticed that they released a water cream that is good for oily skin, so I'm super excited to try that. And then this is their facial oil, the glow toner. I really like the glow toner, but I did just get a toner from Drunk Elephant that I really like. It has AHA BHA exfoliant, so it really cleans out my skin. So I want to try that afterwards, after I'm done with my Drunk Elephant toner, because I still have a long way to go, so I'll wait on that. And then I did try their foundations. I love their foundation. It's so nice. But if you have sensitive skin, stay away from that because it will make you break out just a little bit. And then here I am just showing you guys around different stations. They have Valentino, they had Sicily, I believe. I've never tried Sicily, but I've heard really good things about it. And then I do not know what this was, but my mom was just showing you guys around. Yeah, it was Sicily. And then that's Charlotte Tilbury, guys. That's where I decided to get a couple items, and I was really excited. The booth was super cute. It was set up really cute. And then these are like the wands that I was talking about, the blush wands. So guess down below what blush wand that I got. There was 3 of them, but okay, well, hint guys, hint. Just gonna be showing you guys. And then so many lipsticks, so many eyeshadows, so many eyebrow pencils, so many lip liners. And then my mom is just picking out the one that she likes. She's just showing me the one that she liked. And she likes more glossy tone. I like more matte. So we're totally opposite. And then here she is just showing me the ones that she liked. And then they have so many different shades that go for every single skin tone. And then I'm just going back showing you guys. They have so many eyeshadow palettes, so many blush palettes, so many creams. This is the magic cream, and the little thumbnail was super cute. That's Charlotte Tilbury, the owner itself. And then the magic cream that has infamous reviews, and then that's Bella Hadid, and the foundation. And then here I am just purchasing it, and thank you to my beautiful sales associate that decided to help my mom out, because I was actually in a different store, but I did come back by this time. So She's just giving us a little Charlotte Tilbury box, and you have to spend $500 to get the box, but I didn't spend $500, but she was kind enough to give me that box anyways. And here she's just gonna be wrapping it up, and then she got me the small little box because I didn't have a lot of items anyways. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn the post notification bell on, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Allah Hafiz.